How to connect Google Tag Manager to Shopify. So first we will go to our settings here from the left hand side on Shopify, and we want to copy our web store's URL. Right click and copy. Now that we have this copied, we will go to Google Tag Manager, and it's going to look like this, and we will simply click on Create Account. We will type out the company name here. I will do my YouTube channel's name. We can leave this as it is, and the container name here is where we paste our store. Now after we have pasted, we will choose what type of target platform we want. So we will do web here, and we have to click on create and simply agree to this. Click on yes. So after we have created it, and it's going to look like this, then now we have to copy this code here. So just click on these two icons here. So we copy this code, and it will tell us that we have to paste this in the head of our store. And now we are going to go back to Shopify, and we're going to go to online store, and it's going to automatically take us to the themes page. Scroll down until you see your current theme, click on the three dots and click on edit code here. So this will take us to the code, and we want to click on theme liquid, and this is the head that we see here. So we just want to go after head, press enter, and we want to paste the code. Right click and paste this code here. So this was the first step, and now we need to copy the other code as well here for the body tag. So again, we're just going to copy this, and we're going to go back, and you can see here body. If you don't see it, we can simply search for it here. So search files, body, can't find it, but just go through this, and you can press Ctrl+F to find body, press enter, and okay, here it is, line 240. And now we can press enter here, and we will paste the code that we just copied for the body here as well. And now if we save this, this will have successfully added Google Tag Manager to our Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.